So if you want to build your personal credit scores up a lot higher, a lot faster, you can add what's called an authorized user to your credit. So a lot of people don't know what this is, but an authorized user is going to be a mom, dad, sister, brother, cousin, auntie, friend, anybody that you know that has an older credit card, like a Discover card, a Chase card, or something like that. That's a personal card with a high limit that's older. You wanted to make sure that it's 10 years, 5 years, something like that, that's older than all the accounts on your profile. They can call into Chase or Discover or anybody and say, hey, I want to add this person as an authorized user on this card. Now, when they do that, that age, that credit limit is going to show up on your personal credit profile. So if they have a 5-year-old card with a $10,000 limit on it, you're going to have a 5-year-old card with a $10,000 limit on your profile as well. Now, they will be able to see that it's not your card. They will be able to see that it's an authorized user, but it's going to boost your scores up like crazy. And we also use this method to get my clients' personal credit cards a lot higher, or get them higher limits, because a lot of times people have $500, $100, and $700 credit cards on their personal profile, and they're like, hey, I want to get $15,000. I'm like, okay, we got to do something else first. We have to do this. Let's add this on there. Let us get these higher limit accounts on your credit with this age, and then we can go for personal credit cards right after that. So that's what we normally do, and that's what I recommend you do as well. Whoa. Don't scroll yet. If you're interested in being an entrepreneur and you want to learn more about entrepreneurship, you want to be motivated, you want to get your mindset correct, you want to build your business credit, build your personal credit, or just understand finances better, this is the channel for you. What I want you to do is like this video, share this video with some people that you think it can help, and then subscribe to the YouTube channel. We drop videos every single day, and pretty soon we're going to be dropping 2 to 3 videos every single day just for you to consume and really learn and grow as a person, as an individual, as an entrepreneur, and level up in life. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. This channel is going to take you one step closer to living the rich life. So like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. And I've seen authorized users get added to people's credit report. Authorized users can also be called trade lines. So I've seen authorized users or trade lines get added to people's report and boost their scores up 100, 150 points within 2 weeks. So it really works really fast, but it will not work for business funding a lot of the times. Like I said, these lenders can see that it's an authorized user. It's going to say it on the credit report. So I would use it for personal funding. I really wouldn't use it too much for business funding, not nowadays.